Inshallah. Now, next page, brothers and sisters. Number 6. Dakka in ulaika, tilka, and zalika may be replaced with he, kum, and kunna, according to whom you are speaking to. So underline this, according to whom you are speaking. Fine, brother. The use of this is optional. It is not compulsory. It is optional. Maybe you will not find it in everyday life, but in the Quran it comes. When it comes in the Quran, we got to understand. And that is another beauty of the books of Dr. Abdurrahim. Because he is trying to teach us the Arabic language in the light of the Quran. So here is another rule, brothers and sisters. Watch it, brother, carefully, and you should highlight it, okay? The first sentence. Liman zalikal baytu ya Bilal. Fine, brother? Ya Bilal comes. It is one person. So zalika. Fine, brother? Now, liman zalikum. Are you with me? Liman zalikumul baytu ya ikhwan. So brother, zalikum. Because you are talking to ikhwanu, so you use kum. Okay. Does it change the meaning? No. Has no effect in the meaning. Okay. Now we are talking to Maryam. Liman zali kil baytu. Are you with me? Because it is a muannas. So it is, the damir is he. Are you brothers and sisters? So liman zalikil baytu ya Maryam. Now we are talking to akhawatu. What will you say? Liman zalikunna baytu ya akhawatu. The same way, brothers and sisters, tilka saatu jamilatun. Are you with me? Tilka saatu jamilatun. So what is tilka? Mubtada. Saatu badal. Jamilatun khabar. Now we come to tilkum. Tilkumus saatu jamilatun. See, jamilatun is still singular. But why did you use kum instead of ka? Because you are addressing brothers. Okay. Same way, tilkis saatu. So tilkum is also, the whole of it is mubtada. But it's not mudaf ilayhi. Are you with me? It is not mudaf ilayhi. If you say tilkumus saatu, it is not, tilkumu is not mudaf ilayhi. It's just a way of addressing. Okay, brothers and sisters? So tilkis saatu jamilatun, tilkunna saatu jamilatun. See, jamilatun comes in singular. So, and the saatu is also singular. Okay, fine. This is called, what is called, brothers and sisters? Tasarrufu khafil khitab. And it is optional. It is not compulsory. It is optional. In the Quran it comes. In the Quran it comes. That's why we got to understand it. Okay. Zalikum khairun lakum. No, zalikum is actually zalika. Zalika khairun lakum. But zalikum khairun lakum, because Allah is addressing lakum, brothers and sisters. It gives a meaning that kum, antum, you are being noticed, you are being recognized, is a kind of giving them a little importance. Are you with me? We are going to do that, and I'll make you understand, inshallah. Akufarukum khairun min ulaikum. It is actually ulaika. Ulaikum, okay? Qala kazaliki. Okay? He said, thus it will be. Anudu an tilkumul jannah uristumuha. What you have inherited. Uristumuha bima kuntum ta'malun. Are you brother and sister with me? So actually it is tilka. Are you with me? It is only tilka, but it has been addressed as tilkum. Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. Now we go to the textbook. And I'll try to explain you a little more. Zalikum khairun lakum yajuzu. What is the meaning of yajuzu? Jaza, yajuzu, it is permissible. What is permissible? Fi kafil khitabi, in the kaf of the khitab. What is the meaning of khitab? In the address. Khitab means address. Okay. Fi zalika wa tilka. Okay. At-tasarrufu. What is it? Tasarrufu. What is tasarrufu? Master. Form. You should have said me right away. Tabassum. Huh? Sister Hafza said form 5. That was good, Sister Hafza. May Allah bless you and all of us. Tasarruf. Tabassum. Okay, form 5. Tasarrafa. Yatasarrafu. Okay, 5. What is the meaning of tasarruf, brothers and sisters? Actually, declension. What is it? Declension. وَمَعْنَا تَصَرُّفِ. And what is the meaning of tasarrufi? An yura'a. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? An yura'a. What is yura'a? Al-mukhatabu. Al-mukhatabu is naif file. What is it? And yura'a is majhul. Now, let us see what is the verb. What the verb looks like. What is it? Ra. And yura e. Now make it majhul. What is the meaning? To take into consideration. Okay? Are you with me? In respect of. So what are you doing? That when you are talking to somebody, to make him feel more important, we use this tasarruf. Okay, yes, brother, you are being noticed. You are involved in the dialogue. What is it, brothers and sisters? You are involved in the dialogue. You have been noticed. Brothers and sisters, I wrote it down to make the addressee feel that he is involved in the dialogue. That is the meaning. To make the addressee feel, I'll write down, brother. This tasarrufu, which is, brothers and sisters, the using of damir with zalika and tilka to make the addressee feel that you are involved in the dialogue. In the dialogue. It is optional. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Make sure you write down, it is optional. Because zalikum and zalika, both are used in the Quran. Okay? It's optional. But when it is used, it means, you are giving little importance to the addressee, make him feel that you are involved in the dialogue. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Or you can also write down one thing, brother. You are not left out. You are not left out. You are involved in the dialogue. That is the meaning of the tasarruf. When you use it like this, brother and sister, that's it. It does not change the meaning. So, an yura'a al-mukhatabu means the mukhatabu is addressee is taken into consideration. The mana of tasarruf is, what is the meaning of tasarruf? That the mukhatab is taken into consideration. Will you write it down, please? وَمَعْنَى التَّصَرُّفِ أَنْ يُرَاءَ الْمُخَاطَبُ. So what is that, brother? The mukhatab, which is the addressee, is taken into consideration, or with the respect to the addressee, or according to the addressee. You use it. Ka, ki, kunna, and kum. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? That's it. Okay? And it will come in the Quran. So when you get in the Quran, it should not confuse us. It should be very clear. Liman zalikumud daftaru ya ikhwanu. Brother, daftar is one. We could have said liman zalikat daftaru. But Dr. Abdul Rahim is using why kum? Because of ikhwan. Liman zalikumud daftaru ya ikhwanu. Now, Amina. Akarati tilkil majallata ya Amina. Now, brother, we could have said tilka also. But in order to take her into consideration and get her involved, we can, from tilka, we can say tilki. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? That's it. But again, the use of this is optional. And it's in the Quran, so we must know the rules, inshallah. Okay. Number 13, brothers and sisters, yaghfir lakum hona yaghfir majzumun bittalab. Remember? Zalika li anna tu'minuna. Brother, tu'minuna is mudariya, but it conveys the meaning of amar. Aminu. Aminu. Okay? في آية السابقة بمعنى آمين. Okay, brother? Number 14. Very easy and very interesting. عيادة مصدر عاد يعود. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is the pattern? فعالة. What is the pattern? فعالة. See, patterns we have to remember, brothers and sisters. بمعنى. What is the meaning of Ada Yaudu here? Zar al-Marid. Zar al-Marid. Okay. But Ada has the meaning Raja. And at the same time, it has the meaning of visiting a sick person. Okay. وَهُوَ عَلَى وَزْنِ فِعَالَةٌ. هَاتِ الْمَصْدَرَ مَفْعُولٌ بِهِ مَصْدَرَ من الأفعال الآتية على وزن فعالة. Okay. Darasa. Now, brother, these are the vocabs we must memorize. Darasa, dirasa. They are very easy, brother. Darasa, dirasatun. Kataba, kitabatun. Zara, ziyaratun. We know it, inshallah. Kara'a, kiraatun. Walada, viladatun. And Rava, rivayatun. Rivayatun. We know these, inshallah. But we will try to always keep it in our mind. These master. Brothers and sisters, now I come to another important thing which Dr. Sahib has mentioned. And that is, brothers and sisters, Mudiyun. Now in this, I would like you to pay attention, because we are doing some mathematics and algebra here. Huh? Brother? Mada. Very, very common verb. What is the root of mada? I'm writing root also. Ma, da, and ya. Remember this root, okay? Mada. What is mudarya? Yamdi. Okay. What is ismu fa'il? Madin. You know fi'lu madin? Fi'lu madin. What is ismu fa'il? Madin. Okay, mada yamdi, madin. Okay, masha. What is the meaning of mada? To pass. Huh? He passed. Huh? He passed. Or to pass. To pass. Brother? Now you have to make a masdar from mada on the pattern of fu'ulun. Keep this in mind. Fu'ulun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fu'ulun. So how will you make masdar? Mu, du, yun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is this? Ya. What is this? Wow. They are not compatible. So, wow has to change into ya. So I'm changing this into ya. Remember, it has got a sukun. Do I change that wow into ya? Yes. Okay. Now, ya is there. And there is a dhamma. They are not compatible. So what shall I do now? Okay, now I will make a idgham of the two yas. And what will happen now? Mu, di, yan. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? See, we are doing all mathematical things. Brother Hassan? Budu, yun. This is ya. Wow, no. Wow and ya are not compatible. So wow change into ya. Fine. We made one change. When ya came, ya and dhamma are not compatible. The dhamma must change into kasra. And so it changed into mudi yun. Brother, if you will write down the changes in your notes, then you will never forget. And if you won't write it, right now you are understanding. After a week or two, it will be forgotten. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is the next word, brother? Hawa. This is the verb, hawa. Now make the masdar on the pattern of fu'ulun. How will you make it? Huvuyun. How will you make it? Hu, vu, yun. Because of this ya, I have to change this into ya. Because of this ya, I have to give a kasra here. What will be the result? Huvi. Yeah. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Once you become strong, then your mind will be able to trace everything. So when you see Modiyun, brothers and sisters, passing. What is it? Passing. But it is from Mada Yamdi. Are you with me? What is the meaning of Hawa? To pounce. To pounce. Okay? Hawa means to pounce. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? inshallah. There's another thing, we go back to the key. I want you to make certain things. Make some highlights, brother. Page 85, number 10. The broken plural pattern. Fa'alilu. What is it? Fa'alilu. What is this fa'alilu? Masajidu. Fanadiku. Mafa'ilu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? That is the pattern. Plural. Pattern of broken plural. Brother? Okay. Fanadiku dafatiru. Is called, what is it called? Everybody should read with me. Muntahal Jumu'i. Muntahal Jumu'i. Okay. Sounds a very scary word. Okay, brother and sister, remember the first day in our class? First day in our class, brothers and sisters, I said to you, you got to memorize marfu, mansub, majrur. It did not make any sense to us, but I insisted that you memorize it. Alhamdulillah, it makes a lot of sense to us. So, even if this does not make any sense to you, just memorize it. Muntahal Jumu'i. Muntaha, what is it? As Sister Sukhena said, it is form 8. What is the verb? Intaha yantahi. What is muntaha? Ism maf'ul. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I'm going to enjoy my lunch today. Alhamdulillah. Brother, it gives me immense pleasure. Because now you see, without my mentioning, your mind is working and tracing it. Alhamdulillah. That is why I can say with more confidence that all of you will become masters, inshallah. You will become very strong. So, Muntahal Jumu'i. It is mudaf, mudafili. Brother, if you hear the word, or if you hear this murakkab, compound, Muntahal Jumu'i, what does it mean? That the plural is on the pattern of mafa'ilu or mafa'ilu. Are you here? Dr. Sahib has mentioned fa'alilu. Are you with me? Whenever you will hear the word Muntahal Jumu'i, it should not scare you. All it means that it is a broken plural on the pattern of fa'alilu. That's all you have to remember. Or fa'alilu. Footnote, right at the end of the page. Highlight it, brothers and sisters. What is it? This plural pattern has a name. This plural pattern has a name. What is the name? Muntahal Jumu'i. So try to memorize this, Muntahal Jumu'i, and for the rest of the course, you will be laughing. You will be laughing. Okay? Muntahal Jumu'i means it's on the pattern of fa'alilu or fa'alilu. Okay, fine, brother and sister. Now what happens, see, here we have funduk, it's 4 letters. Daftaru is 4 letters. Masjidu is 4 letters. Are you with me? What happens if there are more than 4 letters? And you have to form a plural on the pattern of Muntahal Jumu'i. On the pattern of Muntahal. What happens then? Then some of the letters are dropped. Are you with me? In order to fit into the pattern of fa'alilu. That's all this exercise is telling us. And brothers and sisters, as they will come in front of us, inshallah, our mind will understand and we will be able to memorize it. Okay, inshallah. Barnamaju. What is it, brother and sister? Barnamaju. Okay, how many letters are there? 6 letters. 6 letters. But I have to make it on the pattern of Muntahal Jumu'i. So it will become Baramiju. What will it become? Baramiju. Huh? Okay. Now we have to come across these, and inshallah you will be able to then later on figure out. Or maybe some of you are very strong in Quran, you already know it, inshallah. Iza Jumiyal Ismul Lazi. Jumia is your majhul, Al Ismu is your naib fa'il. Huh? If the noun is made plural, which has Al-Lazi hurufuhu khamsatun aw aksaru, more 5 or more than 5, ala sigati muntahil jumui, huzifa ma zada ala arbaati. Everything more than 4 has to be dropped. Okay. Nahwa Safar Jalun. What is it, brother? Safar Jalun. Safar Jalun. What will be now? Safa Riju. No, Safar Jalun is the fruit, brother. It is the fruit, okay? Ankabutun. Ankabutun. What will be the Anakibu? What is it, brother, sister? Anakibu. Andalib, nightingale. What will be the Jama? Anadilu. Got it, brothers and sisters? Very good. Mustashfa. This is Nakis. So here we have Mashafin. Now tell me what is Mashafin. Tell me what is Mashafin. Mashafi, you, because it is on the pattern of Mafa'ilu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Mashafin is on the pattern of Mafa'ilu. Like Ma'anin. Are you with me? Ma'aniyu. Mashafin, Mashafiyu. Or you can have a Jama, Muannas Salim, Mushfayatun. Mushfayatun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now there's another exercise. Tujma'u Khatiyatun. Brother, what is Khatiyatun? Sins. Sin or offense. Khatiyatun means sin or fault or offense. It is made Jama Khataya. Okay? Ala Khataya. Okay? Ijma Asma al-Atiyata Hadha al-Jama. Make the following nouns on this pattern. Okay? On this Jama, brother and sister. Hadiyatun Hadaya. Hadiyatun Hadaya. So inshallah you write down at home. Brother, what is Matiyatun? Mataya. What is Matiyatun? The animal which is used for riding, like horses, donkeys, camels, elephants, any animal that you use for riding. Riding animals, you can say. Matiyatun means Al-Haywanu Alladhi Yurkabu, which has been ridden. Maziyatun, Mazaya. What is Maziyatun? Points, merit. Okay? Good quality. Sariyatun, Saraya. Brigade, in an army or detachment. Okay? And then Shaziyatun, Shazaya. Brother, shrapnel, a fragment, splinter. Okay? And Zaviyatun, Zavaya. What is the meaning of Zaviyatun? Corner. And corner. Angle. Angle or corner. Okay. Brother, we may not come across these plurals, but good to practice, inshallah. At least when you will come across, you will remember, brother. Hati, give brother. Hatil fi'l alladhi ushtuqa minhu ismu tafdil. Brother, give the fi'l which has been derived from ism tafdil avhana. Wadhkur minhu mudari' or mastar. Okay, brother? What is the verb? Wahana and yahinu. Okay? And wahnun. Mastar is wahnun. Okay? Wahana, yahinu, wahnun. Okay? Uzkur arba ayatin. Warada fiha hazal fi'l. Mention 4 verses of the Quran in which this fi'l has come. Aw mushtaqatuhu, or its derivatives. Are you? Mushtaqatuhu, or its derivatives. So, not necessarily the verb itself, but in any form it has come. So, even avhana is the derivative of wahana. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Inshallah, you will work on this and you will try to trace 4 verses from the Quran. If you have difficulty, you can look into Hello Tamari, inshallah. There are some beautiful verses, brother. Prophet Zakaria alayhi salam says, Qala Rabbi inni wahanal azmu. My bones have become weak, from me, minni. How can you expect that I will have a child? Okay. And then there's a beautiful verse in the, I think, Surah Luqman, I guess. Hamalathu ummuhu wahnan ala wahnan. Weakness after weakness. So there are some beautiful verses there waiting for us to explore in the Quran, inshallah. Brother and sister, hati mudariya. Hati mudariya. Okay? Anzara yunziru. Ism fa'il munzir. Are you with me? Ism fa'il munzir. Dayya'a, to lose or waste. Dayya'a yudayyi'u. Form 2, to lose or to waste. Hatha, are you with me? Hatha, to urge, to encourage someone. What is the mudariya? Yahuthu, like hajja, yahujju, hatha, yahuthu. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Are you with me? Inshallah. Lesson number Adarsu Shireen. Brother, what is Darsu Shireen? Form 5. We are going to learn Form 5, brothers and sisters. I'll briefly go, and not tomorrow. When I say tomorrow, I mean the next day, Okay. Brother, go to the verbs in lesson number 20. Very interesting lesson, brothers and sisters. Adarsul Ishruna. Okay. Page number, I've got my old book, brothers and sisters. Al-Madi, Al-Mudariya, Al-Amr, Ism Fa'il, Ism Masdar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Did you get it? Okay. 174. Ta'allama. Remember, we have already done this. When you go to Mudariya, it is all fatah, fatah, fatah. The only time you get a kasra when it is ism fa'il. That's all. So it's easy, brothers and sisters. Ta'allama. So it has a relationship with form 2. Allama became ta'allama. Okay? Yata'allamu, ta'allam, muta'allim, and ta'allum. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Tafa'ulun. Okay? And I say, jokingly, just think of sister tabassum. That is the pattern of the mastar. What is the meaning of ta'allama? He learned. He learned. Tahaddatha. Yatahaddasu. Tahaddas. Mutahaddisun. And tahaddusun. Inshallah, you'll do it at home, inshallah. Takallama. Yatakallamu. Takallam. Mutakallim. What is mutakallim? Huh? Damir mutakallim, remember? Damir ghaib, damir mukhatab, and damir mutakallim. Okay? And what will be the masdar? Takallum. Tazakkara. Okay, brother? Tahaddasa is to speak. Huh? Okay? And takallama is also to speak. Meaning is same, brother and sister. Tazakkara is to remember. Yatazakkaru. Tazakkar. Mutazakkir. Tazakkuru. Ta'akhar. What is it, sisters? Ta'akhar. Yata'akharu. Ta'akhar. Muta'akhir. Muta'akhir. Muta'akhir and then ta'akhuru. Ta'akhuru. Lateness. Okay, brother. Now, next one is, brother, what is next one? Nakis. What are they? What are they? Nakis. Huh? This is very interesting. If you are strong, it is halwa puri. If you are not strong, then they become hard chickpeas to you. Okay. Tagadda. What is the meaning of tagadda? To take lunch. Yatagadda. What is amar? Tagadda. Fi'lu amrin mabniun ala hadfi harfi illa. And brother, masdar. Tagadden. Tagadden. How did we get tagadden? Again, some mathematics and algebra will come. We won't do it today. I'll do it tomorrow, inshallah. I'll do it on Monday. Huh? I'll explain to you. It's very easy, brother. And brother, that's it. Okay? Ta'asha. Yata'asha. Ta'asha. Okay? And ta'ashin. Inshallah, we'll do it tomorrow. Talakka. Talakkal Adamu. Adam received. Talakka, to receive. Yatalakka. Tamanna. Oh, what a beautiful word. Tamanna. I can't help it, brothers. I can't help it. वो तमन्ना और क्या जाने तमन्ना आप है क्या करूंगी लेके दुनिया मेरी दुनिया आप है वो तमन्ना और क्या. Such a beautiful word. And there is one more. लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी. Are you with me? लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी. जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी. I especially did it for our little guest here. Because I wanted to see her smile, you know. Alhamdulillah. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanatan wa fil akhirati hasanatan wa qina azaban nar. Rabbana hab lana min azwajina wa dhurriyyatina qurrata ayunin waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. Rabbana taqabbal minna innaka anta samiul alim wa tub alayna إنك أنت التواب الرحيم. سبحان ربك رب العزة